What's up, my lovely peeps? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're not subscribed, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on any other videos by me. So we got a lot of videos coming up, so you don't want to be missing an action. But don't forget to like these videos also and share these videos for me. It helps my channel out a lot. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Inga here, and I am so happy to be back with you guys. Okay, so today I have something very exciting for you guys. I know everyone has been asking me to teach you guys how to make the color changing lip gloss. I'm just gonna show you something amazing that I have on my new website, which is going to be debuting at 1 p.m. on Monday. So you guys do not forget to go and check that out. I will leave all the links and everything listed in the description box below, so you guys can go and check those links out. And I think this video should be up by Sunday, so you guys can also go and check me out on Instagram. It's queensbyinga on Instagram, and I have iMac Lifestyle on Instagram, and I have the same Instagrams and TikTok pages. So I haven't been posting much on TikTok, but hopefully this go around we'll be getting to that and start doing our thing back on TikTok. Okay, so yeah, look what I have here. So this is my color changing lip oil. I have this in a passion fruit type flavoring. I already debuted it to a few people, but most people were saying it's more like a peaches and cream, but it's a passion fruit. This color changing lip gloss, as you can see. Okay, let me do this like this. I don't want any blurriness, but I'm very excited about this. But I have a new Shopify page. Yeah, I have a few sales going on also on that page. You guys can check it out. A few of the palettes and highlighters and stuff like that. I also got in some blushes and lip pencils, so that's new also on the page. Let us just go ahead and demonstrate this color changing lip oil so you guys can see. Here's the color. It's like a palish pinkish, like almost a white type color. It's infused with the best oils, jojoba, grapeseed oil. Well, you know I always use that. Fractionated coconut oil, and some other secret ingredients that I will be disclosing later down through this lip oil journey. So yeah, I'm excited about this. But we have it in the 6 ml tubes with that logo again, my logo again, Queens. I want to do this in a clear also, so you guys can let me know if you want it in a clear and some other flavors. I can do that. So let's just go ahead, check this out. This is this color now, like more whitish, palish, light, very light pink. So as I apply it to the lips, you'll see it as a gloss, a clear gloss rather, and then it should change its color. Okay. So there you have it, clear. I'm gonna explain to you about the reason why this color changing lip gloss, why it happens rather, the whole process of its changing its color. So So let me give you a little close up. As you can see, it's a very light pale pink. Let me just look at it. And you can apply it light like that, but it changes over time. And guess what? It's lip staining. This is so amazing. you don't even need to apply all of this like what I'm doing. I'm just doing a demo so you guys can see. But it was clear first. And as you can see, it's gradually just changing. And I am brown, so could you imagine on light skin? There you go. And you can apply as much as you want to and just watch it change before your eyes. So let me know what you guys think about this color changing lip oil. Like I said, it's ready, it's available on Monday. But before we leave, I'm just gonna explain the process of this color changing lip oil, and maybe I'll give a possible date as to when I'll be demonstrating. As you can see, this lip oil is moisturizing. It's very glowing and shiny. It's so smooth. I did a thing here, I know. Yeah. So I just wanted you guys to see after 5 minutes, this is what's going on. This is what happened. Oh, we changed from this to this. I'm gonna take it off and you're gonna see the stain. Up. And if you're out eating, whatever, that's okay. By the time you should get back home, it will wear right away. Peace. Bye, y'all.